Hi, I'm Angelina, and I'll be showing you how to use the inequality theorem for my MVP. So, what is the inequality theorem? Well, what it is it is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle, and you have to see if those two sides added together are greater than the third side of the three sides on the triangle. And with this, what you will be doing is if the two sides added together is greater than the third side, then the triangle is possible. But if it is less than or equal to the third side when added together, then the triangle is not possible. So this is how you do it. So what we'll be answering is if the triangle is possible. So here we have this C to A is 4 millimeters, A to B is 5 millimeters, and C to B is 1 millimeters. So what we will be doing is we're just going to add all the sides until we see if it is possible or not possible. So what you will be doing first is you'll pick any two sides. So I'm going to start out with 4 millimeters plus 5 millimeters, which is length CA and AB, and now I'm going to see if 4 plus 5 is greater than the last side, which is CB, 1 millimeter. And if I check it, these two numbers, 4 and 5, equal up to 9. So that makes it greater than the third side, meaning that so far the triangle is possible. So we're just going to put a check by it to know that it is possible. Then we're going to do 5 millimeters plus 1 millimeter and see if that is greater than the 4 millimeters. And if you look at those two numbers, they both equal up to 6, meaning it is greater than the 4 millimeters side. So we're going to put another check by that, stating that it is possible. And now for our last sides, we will be adding the sides we did add together. So we'll do 1 millimeter plus 4 millimeters. And this we will be checking if it is greater than 5 millimeters. And if we look at it, 4 plus 1 equals 5, meaning it is not greater than the other side. So we have to put an X by this, stating that these two sides are not greater than 5 millimeters, meaning that the triangle is not possible. So these problems are really simple. All you have to do is make sure you are adding correctly and make sure that you do not forget that the two numbers you are adding cannot equal the third side. It has to be greater than the number that is there. It cannot equal to it. And that's how you figure out if the triangle is possible or not possible using the inequality theorem. Thank you, and I hope this helped you figure out how to use the inequality theorem.